Good morning from a very rainy Asda car park. I think I may have had a mouthful when I was explaining where we were, but anyway, welcome back to the channel. My name's Anna if you haven't been here before, and we are currently sat, that's Jeff. Yeah, so we are currently sat in Asda's car park. We've just had breakfast here, brought from Asda, and we bought some clothes and some flip-flops, and yeah, ready to head off on our next adventure. Here she is.
Can I just say there's only 7 days till Squid Game 3 comes out?
So there's only 7 days until Squid Game 3 comes out. Put that in your diary if you're a Squid Game fan, although if you are a fan, it's going to be in your diary.
It's in my head.
Yeah. Not that Lila watches Squid Games because she is too young for that. Okay, so I think we're in Barnstable at the moment, which is North Devon, I believe. But to be honest, we live in Devon. Very, very rarely come up to North Devon. I very much like it. Yeah, we stayed at Golden Coast campsite. We're going to a different campsite tonight, Park Dean one, and spent the day at Watermouth Castle yesterday. But I have always wanted to go to their water railway. It's Lynmouth and Lynton, I believe. I've been on about it for years, and now we're finally here. We're about 45 minutes away, so probably about 2 hours because we're in Hector. And yeah, that's where we're heading. It's a dog-friendly attraction, so they'll be coming too. And maybe have a cream tea when we get to the top. Hi, you pooper. So we've just made a little pit stop because Jeff decided to poo everywhere, and then the giant water bottle rolled round in it, and it was just not a nice situation. And then I threw the water bottle out the back of the van, and Belle's determined that she wants to play with it. But anyway, you can see now everything's been scrubbed, everything's been bleached, all the carpet's been scrubbed, and we've got this view. There we go, beautiful. She's determined to find a ball. Hector is smelling a bit hot. There's some really steep roads, which I didn't realise.
Jeff,
Okay.
how much was it for?
£7.
Why is there water?
Because it's a water. It's powered by water.
Oh wow.
Can't see what's in the surgery.
I think they're enjoying their ice cream. It's a nice little cafe. Right, I'm now covered in mango
I'm sorry.
and raspberry lemonade.
I want to try something.
There is, I think you should go in there. I think we should put Jeff in there.
Jeff, do you want to go?
So yeah, it's a very pretty view. I don't really know where we're heading to. We'll go have a look. There we go. What did you think?
It's pretty good.
That was good. I wish we could stand at the front though, coming down. You had,
Yeah.
I think, a better view than me. Belle. I found one. Okay. Belle's enjoying Lila's new shoe. They're both having a chance to cool down because it is hot. This is actually a nice little spot. And you can see the railway. Actually, you can't see it at the moment, but you can hear it. There's the tracks. And you've got all kind of on-street parking along here. Actually, that's a car park with barriers, so we couldn't get Hector through there. Yeah. Oh, Jeff's looking like he might just dive in. That looks nice, Lila. I want to get in. Been up the hill from hell, and I tried to avoid this twice, and we drove what? Just wasted about an hour driving almost to Minehead, and it sent us back this way.
We were 18 minutes from Butlins.
And I don't know if Hector's going to make it. On this first gear, it gets worse than this as well. His temperature's creeping up. Oh my God. We came down this bit. Does it want me to go up there? I'm not going that way. Say no. 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 Do you love me? No. So we've arrived eventually, finally, at our new campsite, and I'm just cooking some dinner. It's getting quite late actually. We had a lovely day in Lynton, drove the wrong way out and ended up in Minehead almost, but we're back now. Let me have a look. Just gonna add a little bit of chicken and some sweet chili sauce maybe.
Ooh, that sounds nice.
Lila's setting the table. Jeff waiting for his dinner. Something just flew off that tablecloth, man. Nom nom. Why have you got a quilt? It's so hot. Go for a shower.